up, you guys? It's your girl Rap-Unzel, the rapping princess. As you know, I am back again with another skincare routine, but this time I have another addition to my routine. Lovely company by the name of Duvolle sent me their best-selling item, which is their Radiant Spin Care System. It's a interchangeable set of brush heads that comes with, of course, the base for it. It comes with a body brush, an exfoliation brush, a facial brush, and a pumice stone, but I will explain more about that in a minute. This brush usually runs for about $95, I believe, but lucky for you guys, they gave me a coupon code, which is Rap-Unzel, but I'll put it somewhere on the screen as well as the description box, and that code is for 70% off. That'll bring this brush down to like $28.50. So if I say so myself, I think that's a pretty good deal. I have tried some of these out, and I will say it's really, really worth it. So if you guys want to hear more about the brush, stay tuned. Okay, so I do have a few notes that I want to read to you guys, just basically telling you what the company says these brushes are supposed to do. So first, it comes with a gentle face cleansing brush, which is supposed to gently cleanse your skin, remove dead skin cells, unclog pores, eliminate deep-seated dirt to reveal radiant looking skin. That's the one I'm going to use today. It does also come with a face exfoliating brush. Some people say you can use the cleansing brush first and then the exfoliating after, but I have really sensitive skin, so I don't want to do, a little bit too much yet before I try it out. But the face exfoliating brush is supposed to deeply cleanse and exfoliate. It may minimize the look of pores, help improve the appearance of your skin texture while enhancing your skin's ability to absorb skincare treatment, which is really good if you're a person that likes to put your serums and toners on after, etc., etc. It also comes with a large body cleansing brush, which you can use on your knees, arms, elbows. It says it's great before self-tanning and back acne. And let me tell you guys, I've tried the body brush before this video because this is only about, my facial skincare routine, but it is lovely. I love it on like my chest and neck area. It makes everything so smooth. It's amazing. It also comes with a pumice stone attachment, which if you don't know what a pumice stone is, it's usually what they'll use on your feet when you get a pedicure just to rub off any like dead skin cells. If you've never heard of a pumice stone before, if you remember one thing from this video, do not use the pumice stone on your face. You will really regret it. You will tear your skin up and it's not a good look. The pumice stone is strictly for, here it says, your feet, elbows, and heels, and it can remove calluses or hard, dead, dry skin. Two great things about the skincare brush as well is that it's water resistant and it's designed for use in the shower, and it's cordless. It can operate for months on 4 AA batteries. So I think we've got ourselves a good product. I'm going to take a few of them out just to show you the size of all the brushes. Is the back of the brush looks like that, and you just pop it on like this, and it has the power button. That's how it looks spinning, and an off button, and the batteries go in here. So it's honestly really, really simple to put together, and like it says, the batteries are supposed to last you for a while, so it's not something you should worry about. It stays on tight. You don't have to worry about it falling off, and like I said, it's waterproof. So without further ado, if you want to see how I get glowing skin in the morning or nighttime, stay tuned. Alright, so first things first, I like to start off with putting my hair back with my little scrunchie here. I actually just straightened my hair recently and I don't have time for it getting wet, so we love a good scrunchie. Next, what I do is I don't like too much of my makeup to actually get into the brush. It does say it can take off your makeup, but I'm not gonna chance it. So I have my little cotton rounds, and I'm taking my micellar cleansing water, and I'm just gonna put it on my little cotton pad here and just basically pre-cleanse my face with this. I don't even have on foundation right now. I just have on a little lip gloss and some concealer in my eyebrows and stuff like that. Alright, so after I've taken off most of my makeup, like I said, that's a makeup remover, but I still feel like you should continue to wash your face afterwards. So I'm going to take my Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. I used this in a previous video when I was reviewing it, and I still love it. As you can see, it's basically a brand new bottle. And I'm going to put it on my brush. And actually, I'll wet the brush a little bit before I do that. Alright, so after I wash and dry off my face, I move on to my toner. First impression, I really love how my skin feels. Of course, it's not glowing right now yet because I don't have any moisturizer on, but I mean, like, I wish you guys could actually feel my face. It feels really smooth. Usually I have like dry skin around my nose, and that's not there right now, so far I feel like the brush is living up to what it said it was going to do. I'm going to take a little bit of my Kylie Skin toner and put just not too much, maybe like a dime size drop onto the cotton pad. Alright, so after I put on my toner, I like to use a serum. This is a little bit of an optional step. All serums do different things. Me, I tend to just have a little bit of drier skin, especially in certain areas of my face. It started to storm on us, so ignore any extra that you hear. But this toner has kiwi extract, vitamin C, and aloe vera. So it's gonna give you a glow boost, add to the vibrance of your skin, and soothe dry and irritated skin. Alright, so my last step is going to be my moisturizer, and I'm using Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. I love Tatcha products. Their setting spray is literally probably one of my favorites ever. I know I said my last step was going to be my moisturizer, but I remembered you can't have glowing skin and dry, crusty lips. So I'm using my Burt's Bees lip balm. If I can get it open, my hands are slippery. And it actually does have a little color to it, because if I'm not going to be wearing lipstick or lip gloss, I like to have a lip balm that, you know, gives me a little pink tone and keeps me feeling moisturized. So that is the actual last step. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed my morning, nighttime, whenever skincare routine. Thanks again to Duvolle for sending me this brush. I'm really loving the results that I achieved with this. And don't forget that you guys can get this for a complete steal at $28.50 using my 70% off coupon code. I'll put that in the description box again. And like, subscribe, share this with your friends, stream my music, and I'll see you all next time.
Pretty bitch, I get spoiled, I don't pay for shit. Whole crew